Chapter 4, Polynomials. This is Miss Hosier.
And Miss Lahar.
And here we go. So, polynomials are multi-termed expressions and or equations. And we are going to learn some things about them, no matter what degree they are. So,
Amen.
there's
That's
your
a lot of stuff.
definition.
Yep.
You can read. Okay, we really need to focus on a few things. The leading coefficient, the degree. We're just giving you all of these terms, reminding you about all of this wonderful stuff.
Okay, we're going to start looking at connections between even versus odd degrees. So these first two, we got x squared. You should all know what that looks like. Boom, there it is. Now let's look at x to the fourth. Do we notice something?
It looks very similar. However, this one looks like it's a little bit flatter.
So now let's look at negative x to the... They end in the same direction, basically. If you have evens, they're going to end in the same spots.
So see how it's ending up, ending down, starting and ending down, starting and ending down. So when you have positive leading coefficients on an even degree, they're going to start and stop facing up, and negative.
Click, I think I have a smiley.
Oh, look at that. Smiley and frown.
Frowns.
So you're happy, you're ending up. You're sad, you're ending down.
So two things. Even degrees, you know that they're going to end in the same spots, and then you would look at the leading coefficient to see if they're going to end up or they're going to end down.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about odd degrees.
Okay, well, we have a 1. That's a line. We know that. We have a 3.
Well, that wasn't supposed to pop up.
That's okay. We gave it away a little too soon, but that's fine.
Okay, negatives.
Ooh. So if you have an odd degree polynomial, they're going to start and stop in different locations.
One up, one down, or one down, one up.
But it's still the happy or the sad. So if it's positive leading coefficient, you're still ending up, meaning you're starting down. If it's a negative, you're ending down, meaning you're starting up. So...
All right, so now, describing your end behavior. So that just means where your graph is going as you go to the axis to infinity.
Right.
Okay,
So are you going up or are you going down?
So first you have to look at the degree of the function. When it's in this form, which is called factored form, you have to add your exponents of your factored term. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is an even degree. So I already know going into it, it's going to end and up or it's going to end both down.
Right. They're either starting, they're same or the same up, same down. There we go.
Okay.
That's what I was looking for.
Even degree. So now we have to look at whether it's going to end up or end down. We have a positive leading coefficient because there's no negative out front there. So we know the end behavior as it is going up to positive infinity.
So up is the end behavior.
Okay? Leading coefficient. Now be careful. Sometimes we trick it up and don't put it in standard form.
So you got to look. You got to say, where's the highest degree? Oh, there it is.
There it is. So that highest degree is 7. So that means it's an odd degree. So I know they're going to end in opposite directions. What's the leading coefficient on that? It's negative. So I know that it's going to end down.
So it's odd degree, negative leading coefficient, and behavior is down.
Down.
Boom.
Okay? Now, by just looking at a graph, can you tell?
Yes. So I see that it's starting and stopping in the same direction.
So
and I noticed that direction is up.
So we know it's positive. And then the fact that they're ending in the same spot. Like
we're off a little bit, but right there is even. Perfect.
Okay, so just by looking at a graph, you can tell the degree and the leading coefficient. So that one's ending down. So we know it's a negative. They're ending in opposite spots. That one was spot on. So we know it's an odd degree.
Boom. Look at us go. Okay, so if we look at this, name that graph. So I see that it should be ending down and it should be going in the same direction. So I only have one choice.
Yep, well, we looked at the degree first, so I know that I think x's pop up eventually.
Boom.
Oh no, the answer just pops right up. So that's my winner. Without even using a graphing calculator. You're trying to do this without a graphing calculator. Like, yes, you can use one, but we're trying to get you to connect with polynomials like you've never connected before.
So in conclusion, even, same direction, odd, different direction. Positive ends up, negative ends down.
And that's all there is to it.
Have a wonderful day. We will see you all in class.